Hey, all right. Global issues and government class. You guys are both doing a very similar assignment today. And so, just kind of quick preview, right? Like we are studying in both classes the judicial branch and specifically the Supreme Court and kind of their influence on things. So, rarely do we spend much time on our Supreme Court justices. We like to talk about our presidents and all that, but we kind of skip our judges. So today and Monday, this will be a 2-day assignment. You're going to do a short biography about one of the justices. So as you clicked on it, you might have been like, oh my God, no, I have to write something. So I want to just walk you through the process, right? Because really, this is not a formal essay in terms of like, having to cite sources and like all that kind of crazy stuff. This is just a brief biography. In fact, if you look here, really, I describe it as really three large paragraphs, right? Each paragraph should be probably give or take 5 sentences. I don't think you can probably cover the topic in less than 5 sentences. But I'm not talking about a 5-page essay here. Okay, we're talking maybe three-fourths to a page, right? So as you're beginning, let me emphasize a couple of things. First, you're getting graded on these three things down here. You need to summarize and turn information into your own words. Do not copy and paste. Okay. And then, secondly, you need to be accurate, right? I mean, I want to be able to have a summary after you write this of this Supreme Court justice's life. Okay. Um, and then, lastly, just some basic grammar, spelling, capitalization stuff. Okay. Um, so that is the basic assignment. Okay. Uh, now here's the thing, right? As you do it, you just want to search for a judge. So I'll attach a list of all the judges that you can choose from. There's 9 of them. So I just chose to do Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And there's lots of great resources. Notice I'm skipping Wikipedia. Okay, it's just not the greatest place to go, especially for an easy biography assignment. So I chose to do biography.com. And then a second source that I went with was Britannica.com. And so as you look at them, all right, the first thing that you had to research as far as a section was her early life, right? And so here I've been reading up on, when she was born, what was her early life and education like? She got married when she was in college. Okay, again, that was biography. Britannica is going to have something very similar. Okay, oops, sorry about that. And so, I mean, these are the two sources that I've used. And then this is the section then that I've typed out, my summarization of her early life. Again, I have, I think, 6 sentences. I have when she was born. I have the fact that her mother died from cancer, and that she was a huge influence, especially in terms of education. And so she's kind of what drove Ruth to attend Cornell University, and then later to attend Harvard University to study law. I include a couple of key facts. Like I obviously take these facts, right, directly from the source, but I didn't copy and paste it. Okay, I put in my own words. There was 500 students in her law class at Harvard. She was one of only 8 females. Right. I summarized a big long section about her husband's struggle with cancer, and I just summarized that they ended up having to move to New York City because of that, and so she transferred to Columbia University and graduated from Columbia University, actually. Okay. So this would be then the first section of the assignment. And again, clearly, I would have 2 more left. I would need to do a second section about her career and life up to when she was appointed to the Supreme Court, and then a third section about her service on the Supreme Court. But I wanted to give you a quick rundown of just really how this is pretty easy to do and to give you an idea of sources and summarization, which is going to be the key here. You must summarize into your own words.